Hello friends, let's discuss color combinations for kitchen, creating a harmonious and inviting space. When it comes to designing a kitchen, color combinations play a crucial role in creating a harmonious and inviting space. The right color scheme can elevate the mood, enhance the aesthetic, and even influence the appetite. For a kitchen, it's essential to choose colors that are not only visually appealing but also functional. Neutral colors, white, gray, and beige, provide a clean and timeless backdrop, while bold colors like red, orange, and yellow can add energy and warmth. Earthy tones like green and brown can bring a sense of nature and cuisine. Consider combining colors to create contrast and visual interest, such as pairing warm color tones with cool metallic accent or bold colors with neutral backgrounds. The 60-30-10 rule can be a helpful guideline, where 60% of the kitchen is a dominant color, 30% is a secondary color, and 10% is an accent color. This balance can create a harmonious and visually appealing space. Some popular color combinations for kitchen include monochromatic, using different shades of a single color to create a cohesive look. For example, various shades of blue can create a calming and soothing atmosphere. Then, complementary, pairing colors that are opposite to each other, like blue and orange. This combination can create a bold and dynamic look. Analogous, using colors that are next to each other on the color wheel, like blue, green, and yellow. This combination can create a smooth and harmonious transition between colors. When choosing a color combination for your kitchen, consider also the following factors: natural light, cabinets and countertops, personal style, mood, and atmosphere. By carefully selecting a color combination that suits your style and preferences, you can create a kitchen that is both beautiful and functional, making cooking and socializing pleasure. A well designed color scheme can also enhance the aesthetic, influence the mood, create a sense of cohesion. With careful consideration and planning, you can create a kitchen color scheme that is both functional and beautiful. I hope you would have liked the video and subscribed the channel as well. Kindly share it with your family and friends and stay tuned for next.